If you're not sharing once again, like your story, why you even have this business, what it's done for your clients, there might be people that just watch day after day, but they're not actually buying, right? Remember, the product that you're selling, it is like literally the solution to the problem your audience has, right? So every day they might be like clinging on to this problem, but they might just need like a little friendly push or reminder for them to actually move. Welcome back to 0 to 10K, the 25-part series on how to make $10,000. We are officially on day 20 of this series, and I cannot believe we only have 5 more days left until we're finished, right? But today is one of my favorite days because I am going to talk about how to actually create really good content on your social media platforms. So you can A, grow an audience, grow a following, but B, you can actually get paid for your products and services with people that are in your audience. Now, yesterday for day 19, we went through the different social media platforms, right? Like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Now, today we are going to cover like what type of content are we actually producing on those platforms. Now, the thing is, everything that I'm going to share for today's video, it doesn't really matter what platform you chose, because the different like categories and types of content you're going to be creating, you can create it on any platform, right? So don't worry if you chose, TikTok versus YouTube. What I'm going to share today, it is going to cover every single platform because we're really going to talk about the different styles and types of content pieces. Now, before I go into like the different content styles and categories, what I want to say is you want to be posting every single day on these social media platforms, because in order to build a personal brand, you need to stay consistent. So this is not about posting like once or twice a week, even posting consistently for a few weeks and then giving up and wondering, where is the audience? Where are the clients coming from? You need to be consistent, okay? Because content does 3 things. When you're posting content on social media, what it does is grow an audience, nurtures your current audience, and converts your audience into buyers, right? So every single time we're creating content on social media, it's not just to make money, it's also to grow an audience, and it's also to get people who are just in your audience following you, watching, to get them over the edge and actually buy your offers. So the different type of content pieces I'm going to share today is going to show you why these different content pieces are able to do the growing, the nurturing, and the converting. Now, to be honest, there are a lot, and I'll tell you, a lot of different types of content you create, but I'm going to share my top 3 content types that has allowed me to grow like well over 50,000 followers combined in all my social media platforms, and will help you gain maybe your first like 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, or maybe even 50,000, depending on where you're starting on social media with your brand. And I'm going to share examples of each of these different content pieces, but before I do that, let's first actually go through them. Now, the first type of content, like category and style, I always tell people to create is education/value content. Now, this is basically teaching your audience something. Now, the reason why this content works really well is because, remember, your product is a solution for a problem that your ideal client has. So in order for someone to look at you as an authority, to look at you as somebody who is really skilled in that specific industry, in that niche, you need to show people that you know what you're talking about, right? So this is where, on social media, you'll see people talk about like, these are like the 3 steps in order to do X. It can even be just like sharing knowledge in a specific like topic within that industry. So for an example, let's say your niche is makeup. You're helping females put on a beautiful face of makeup. Now, if you're creating content under like the educational and value segment, one piece of content you might create is these are like the top 5 foundation brands that you should be using if you have acne, right? So if I was scrolling on social media and I came across that video and I have like acne, however, I still want to put on makeup, I might stop and watch that video because I want to know what foundation brand I should be using, right? So that's an example of like value and education. And after I explain once again all of these, I'm going to show you guys a few examples of my own, right? So that's like the first category, value, education. And also for some of them, depending on what industry you're in, the value and education content also helps people get quick wins. For me personally, anytime I post like a piece of content talking about how to create content or talking about sales, things that you can tweak with your brand, someone applies what I teach them in that video or a piece of content, they come back to me, they're like, oh my gosh, I tried it, it worked. Now I want to join Monetize Social Membership, or I want to work with you one-on-one, like whatever it is, right? So educational value content really helps your audience also get quick wins. So that way it's like, if people get a quick win and get a result from your free content, like best believe they'll be joining your paid stuff because it's going to be that good. Now, the second type of content piece you want to create is results/testimonials. Now, these are basically, of course, it sounds exactly as I said it, it's results. If you can show your audience results, you're getting your own results, or clients that you have taught and helped are getting results, it just is basically a testimonial for your product, right? It's like one thing to do it for yourself. And of course, if you're just starting out, you are your best result because you did do it for yourself. But as you start to work with clients, even if it's like friends and family for free, get their testimonials and share it on social media. Because remember, people want to see that if you help somebody else and they get the result, it shows the person on the other side of the screen it's possible for them too, right? So anytime I see a result come in through one of my clients, and like, for example, in my membership, we have a community where people can ask questions and share wins. Anytime I see someone sharing a win, I'll screenshot that and post it on my Instagram stories, because I know as I'm sharing results, people that are following on the edge of buying and joining Monetize Social Membership, there might be one result that'll push them off the edge and be like, okay, I've seen this person do it. I've seen this person do it. Now it's my time to also be that result. Okay, so results, testimonials, the best thing. And once again, if you don't have any clients right now, it does not matter. You are a walking testimonial. And the last type of content piece you want to create is inspirational/activational piece of content. Now, this is basically where you're honestly just like encouraging, you're inspiring, and you're really motivating and activating your audience to move and your audience to take action. Okay, if you're not sharing once again like your story, why you even have this business, what it's done for your clients, there might be people that just watch day after day, but they're not actually buying, right? Remember, the product that you're selling, it is like literally the solution to the problem your audience has, right? So every day they might be like clinging on to this problem, but they might just need like a little friendly push or reminder for them to actually move. Okay, so let's say you're in the industry, in the niche of relationships, and you're helping people get in the most healthy, fulfilling, lifelong relationships. And let's say there's somebody in your audience who's in like a toxic relationship, like they're in love, but they're in a bad relationship. They know that they have to leave, right? There might be one piece of content you create, inspiring them and activating them to find their own voice, to find their own confidence, to find their own power to leave that relationship. And that might be the post they need to actually leave that relationship, join your program and learn from you to actually find a fulfilling relationship, right? So that's what you want to think about when it comes to like inspirational and activational pieces of content. So what I want to do now is I actually want to share my screen and show you guys a few examples of my own pieces of content. So if you look at my screen here, we're just going to go through all the 3 different type of content pieces that I just mentioned: education, value, results and testimonials, and then inspiration, activation. So this one is an example of education and value, right? So the 3 strategic hooks to use in your content this week to get your next client ASAP. Now, this is on Instagram and it's a carousel. So of course, if I click through this, it basically shows them the hooks, right? So number 1, show them a very actionable piece of advice they can go do now, right? So I even give them like a template. Here is what I would do to get insert niche desire in the insert a specific time frame. Example on the next slide. And then I share an example. Here is what I would do to get my boyfriend, almost fiance, to buy me flowers every single week without fail or ever asking him to. Okay? And then next slide, another hook. Example, hook, example. Okay? And then the key to actually getting sales is to have a call to action. So this content piece, honestly, it's just so good because, of course, I'm helping people build personal brands and social media. So if someone comes across my profile and they look at this piece of content and they're struggling when it comes to creating content, just by this post alone, I gave them 3 things that they can take action on, post, get results, and even clients from, right? So even if they post this, and even just the fact how easy it is for them to come up with content just with this, the hooks I gave them. Could you imagine how easy it would be for them to create content and make sales when they're in my membership? Because I literally give them even more content ideas, like plug and play hooks and templates and like everything in there. Yeah, like they'll be head over heels wanting to join after they look at this type of content piece. So this is an example of value education. Now, another example that's also value in education, I wanted to share a video, a reel is this one, right? So how I get my audience addicted to watching my Instagram stories daily. So this is gonna run again. So of course, like that's the hook on there. And then I say it's so good. I went from getting 100 views to over 800. And then I even share like a screenshot of it, right? And then I said, learn the steps in the caption. Now, this type of content style works so well because what you're doing is in the reel, you're having like a hook showing result, and then you're sharing the steps in the caption, right? So if you look at the caption, I'm not going to read through all of it, but I share how I do it, right? I show my daily routine. I share personal breakthroughs and breakdowns. I give value they can find anywhere else. And then I also link them out to a freebie, right? So every time I'm creating content, I'm giving them value, giving them education, and then I'm also, giving them what to do next. Now I don't know if it's tomorrow, but in the next few like videos in this series, we're going to go through call to actions of how to actually get people who's watching your videos and your posts to actually get them buying. Okay. So we're going to get into that here in the next few days, but this is value education. Now, the next one I want to share, results and testimonials. Okay. People absolutely loved this post. Okay. My client made $34,000 by implementing what he learned in my $49 a month membership. Now, if you saw this post, you would immediately go to my membership and join immediately. You don't even have to think about it because the result is so big, right? Now, this is actually last year when I first launched my membership. It was only $49. It's $97 right now, which is still a steal. But this is a carousel, and I basically included the screenshot. So what happened was he was transitioning into coach role, and within 2 months in the membership, he signed on 5 new high ticket clients, right? So the reason why I'm sharing this is because my target market in Monetize Social Membership is either people that are starting out or people who have businesses and they want to expand and grow their personal brands. So I basically shared he was transitioning into a coach role, right? And within 2 months in the membership, he had these results. So it really shows it does not take time for you to make money, right? And that was the thing that I really wanted to get across. And then I basically just talked about how he got the result, start to ask questions, followed my launch strategy that is inside of the membership, was clear in his messaging. And the cool thing was he found his way of really building a business. Okay, so this was such a great example of results and testimonials. And then of course on the last slide, I said DM me membership if you want the link to join. So once again, this post, if people come across it and they're so hooked on the result, they're gonna join. Okay, they're gonna. And then the last one I want to share is inspirational / activational content. Now, this is a reel, and it was a very simple reel. This was actually just video of me in Greece, and then I just put a little sentence on the reel and says, POV, just because they did it faster than you doesn't mean they did it better than you. Okay? Now, what I basically shared in the caption was it took me about 12 months to hit my first 6 figures cash in my business. I started from nothing, and I talk about how nowadays when you're on social media, people are making six figures in like 3 months from them starting a business, right? And I know in my audience, there might be some people who are like, oh my gosh, it's taking me so much time, or I'm not doing I'm not doing it fast enough, right? So that's why I want to add this type of like quote almost on this reel, because just because once again they did it faster than you does not mean that they did it better than you, and does not mean you can't do it at all, right? So that's a very just like, it feels really good. It feels really good. And this was actually a semi-viral reel for me. It got over 1,400 likes. I think I got like 15,000 views on it. And people just really, really enjoyed it because they really resonated with it, right? So you also want to keep in mind when you are creating like inspirational, activational pieces of content, it doesn't have to be something like revolutionary. It can even just be something simple like this, and then adding in like your own story to it. So those are a few examples of my pieces of content. And if you're already creating content on social media, or you're of course gonna start from this series, I also want to mention in Monetize Social membership, there is a document that I give in there that is basically 4 weeks of plug and play content. I literally give you the hook. I give you the type of content. I give you examples of my own content. So for literally 30 days, all you have to do is open up that document, follow the prompts, and create your own content for you to grow an audience and get clients. All right. So you get access to that in Monetize Social membership community. I know some people already jumped in, and if you're still kind of just like, looking at it, you're not sure, that is another thing that you get inside of the membership. So for today's homework and action item is, I want you to come up with content ideas. Come up with at least 3 content ideas under each category. So 3 for education and value, 3 for results and testimonials, and then 3 for inspiration and motivation. Okay. So when you come up with them, also comment below and let us know, because also there might be some people that are watching this video, or who knows, maybe I'll give you feedback too on your different content idea. So that way also you can just like get into starting to post on social media. So that is all for today. Tomorrow for day 21, we're actually diving deeper a little bit more into content, but we're talking about stories, how to really cultivate a good story in your content to really build a stronger connection with your audience, and of course get more buyers. And remember, we came up with your brand story in part 2. So now we're actually going to take that story and start to create amazing content pieces from it. So stay tuned tomorrow. It's a really, really good one. And I cannot believe we're approaching the end of this series. Like, we're on day 20, but 21's tomorrow, and we're almost towards the end, which is insane, right? So also comment below and let me know, how has this really helped you so far? Maybe you've already made $10,000, and if you have, let us know in the comments. And maybe you're going through it, or maybe you just found this video today and you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to rewatch and watch all of the other videos. Definitely do so, and don't forget to subscribe, right? Because it really it motivates me when I see people subscribing, because it shows and tells me that you guys really love these type of videos, right? So don't forget to comment and subscribe. And as always, if you just found this video, or maybe you've only watched a few videos in this 25-part series, here is the playlist to rewatch any of them or catch up from the previous ones. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 21, and until then, make sure that you stay unforgettable.